Professor Black Ops. You see it. Let's get it. Apple smart door locks. Apple coming out with door locks for your exterior door. They really look heavy duty, right? So from a cybersecurity perspective, we talking about physical security, then I always get nervous, man, because somebody hack your phone, they can hack your door and come into your house, right? So once again, super quick article. Let's check it out. Apple starts selling front door locks that can be unlocked by tapping an iPhone or an Apple Watch. Shout out them for the Apple Watch 2. There's a picture of it right there, opening up your door. Price was when $329. Level lock is installed inside the front door. User can unlock and relock their house using their Apple Home key. Once again, that's a picture of it. Apple stores in the US are now selling front door locks that can be unlocked by a user Apple Watch or iPhone. The $329 Level Lock Plus is the first HomeKey supported lock that can be sold in the Apple Store. When the Level Lock Plus is installed inside a front door, users can unlock and relock their door using their home key, a feature that uses NFC, near field communications, and secure token in Apple software to unlock the door with a tap. User can text keys to their friends or automate when the door is locked. For Apple, it's a milestone in development of a highly anticipated that was first announced in 2021. HomeKey is an example of continuing to digitize stuff that normally carried in a physical wallet or a pocket, from cash to keys. Many Apple's new software features in recent years have been aimed at making the iPhone more valuable to users to prevent them from switching to other phone brands. A user whose front door is tightly integrated with their phone could be less likely to switch to an Android phone. Some of the Apple new initiatives, especially in the smart home ambitions, require third-party hardware or system support to order to work. But compared to features in the iOS update where Apple controls the hardware and software, these new integrations can take longer to become widely available. In addition to HomeKey, Apple has announced Car Key, which is unlocked supported cars from BMW and Hyundai, and Room Key, which put hotel keys from chains like Hyatt in the Apple Wallet app. Apple iPhone is integrating more deeply with vehicles through CarPlay and extending financial service to its users with Goldman Sachs, right? So you want to make the phone ubiquitous, used for everything, and hopefully makes your life easier, right? So that's what Apple's going for. For Level Home, it's an opportunity to stand out as a technology company in a marketplace dominated by a few large, older lock makers. By offering a software feature that has been highly demanded by a core subset of smart home enthusiasts, there is a question that's been posted right now in the category. Level CEO John Martin. The question is smart lock a consumer electronic device, or is it a traditional lock that now is smart? Right. So I think it's a traditional lock that's now smart. My take on it, but smart home fans might simply be enthusiastic about a new HomeKey lock feature. Since HomeKey debuted in 2021, there has been only one supported lock model on sale in the US. That's Solage Encode Plus. Smart home enthusiasts on forums such as Reddit have speculated at length about which companies might launch additional HomeKey devices over the past year. The elevated level of Apple consumers' desire for a new home lock was revealed after reporters and users were able to buy or locate a Level Lock Plus at certain Apple stores after they accidentally went on sale earlier in some locations over the past week. Martin Level CEO said the companies immediately noticed that the blog posts and social media buzz around this new lock. Samsung, who's our CMO, formerly a Nike guy, he's great. And he calls me in the night like, oh my God, we're trending. So yeah, a lot of times I think Apple does that on purpose, right? They leak stuff, right, to get you trending, to get the buzz, to get people to come out and buy it, right? There actually is a master marketing company. Some people in the forums will be disappointed to hear Level won't update the firmware of its old locks to support HomeKey. For HomeKey support, users need the Level Lock Plus so that the Apple stores online. We do not plan to do a firmware update for touch, Martin said. We need to innovate the past part of the technology inside the product of home keys in a way that's going to be first class. And I do like that about Apple. They don't try to keep the past with it. If they're gonna do it, they're gonna do it top notch. They're not gonna go back and update any older locks for it. You got to get the new locks right there. You see it. Apple smart door locks. Apple's in the future. It's gonna use your phone and touch it, right? ADT's been doing this forever too. So there's a lot of big companies that's actually have this technology out. But once Apple sets the market, it's always trending. Once again, Professor Black Apple smart door locks. Apple's protecting your home now. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.